Most people think AI is something coming in the future. But that is not true. AI is not coming. It is already here. And it is already changing how people work, earn, and survive online. So I decided to test something most people are afraid to face. Which jobs is AI actually affecting in 2026, and what should you do instead? Not predictions. Not opinions. Real-world testing. Because I did not want theories. I wanted reality. So I picked 5 common jobs people rely on to make money online and offline. And I tested how AI is affecting them right now. What I found was uncomfortable, but important. And at some point, I honestly started questioning everything I thought I knew. Let's begin. The first job was content writing. For years, this was one of the most popular ways to earn online. Blogs, articles, website content, product descriptions. People built entire incomes from writing. So I tested it. I used AI tools to generate full blog posts, marketing content, and product descriptions in seconds. And the results were shocking. Fast, clean, structured, almost identical to professional writing in many cases. What used to take hours, now takes minutes. But here is where something uncomfortable appeared. When I tried to imagine paying someone for this work, it suddenly felt less valuable. Because if AI can produce similar output instantly, then basic writing is no longer rare. And if it is not rare, it loses value. That was the first reality shift. Then I moved to job number 2. Customer service. Live chat support. Email replies. Basic customer handling. These jobs used to depend heavily on humans. But now AI systems are already handling first responses automatically. I tested AI chat systems that can answer customer questions instantly. And something stood out. Most customers don't even realize they are talking to AI anymore. The replies are fast, polite, and accurate enough for basic issues. This does not mean customer service is gone. But it means something important. Fewer humans are needed for simple tasks. Humans are now pushed into complex problems, escalations, edge cases. Not basic replies anymore. Then I tested job number 3. Data entry. This one was the clearest shift. AI can now read documents, extract data, organize spreadsheets, and process information automatically. What used to be repetitive manual work is now instant. No thinking required. No delays. No fatigue. Just automation. And this is where I had my first real pause. Because these are entry-level jobs. The starting point for many people trying to earn income. But AI is quietly removing the starting point. And that changes everything. Then I moved to job number 4. Basic video editing. This one surprised me the most. Because editing used to require skill, time, and software knowledge. But now AI tools can automatically cut videos, add captions, generate subtitles, and even assemble full videos from scripts. I tested a simple workflow. And within minutes, I had usable video content without manual editing. Not perfect, but good enough for social media, YouTube Shorts, and online content. And that is where things get interesting. Because video content is now easier to produce at scale. Which means competition is increasing fast. Not because people are more skilled, but because tools are doing the work. Then I moved to job number 5. Graphic design. This one was very clear. Simple design work like thumbnails, posters, social media posts, and logos can now be generated using AI tools. I tested it myself. And in seconds, I had multiple design options that would normally take hours for a beginner designer. Clean layouts, modern styles, professional-looking outputs. And again, the same pattern appeared. Speed increased. Value of basic work decreased. But then something unexpected appeared. The better AI became at producing output, the more important human direction became. Because AI can generate ideas. But it cannot decide strategy. It cannot understand audience psychology deeply. It cannot build long-term systems alone. And that is where the real shift is happening. Not job destruction, but job transformation. By this point, I stopped the experiment for a moment. Because something was becoming clear. AI is not simply replacing jobs. It is breaking old versions of jobs and replacing them with something new. Systems. Let me explain. In the past, People earned money by doing tasks: writing, editing, designing, replying, entering data. But now AI is absorbing many of those tasks, which means the future is no longer about tasks. It is about systems. So I changed my approach. Instead of using AI for small work, I started testing it as a system builder. I combined different tools: ChatGPT for ideas and scripts, AI voice tools for narration, image generation tools for visuals, video automation tools for assembly. And something changed. Instead of doing small freelance tasks, I could build full content systems, videos, channels, workflows that produce content continuously. And this is the part most people miss. AI does not just replace work. It removes repetitive work and shifts value to thinking, direction, and systems. So let's be clear. The real question is not which jobs AI is replacing. The real question is what happens after those jobs disappear. And the answer is simple. New roles appear. But they are not traditional jobs. They are system-based roles. People who understand AI workflows. People who build content systems. People who combine tools instead of competing with them. Because in this new world, the people who win are not the ones doing the work manually. They are the ones designing the system that does the work. Now I want to be honest with you. I did not get rich from this experiment. That is not the point. The point is awareness. Because most people are still thinking in old patterns. Old jobs. Old income models. Old systems. But the world has already changed. And it is changing faster than most people realize. So here is what you should understand. AI is not your enemy. But ignorance is. Because the biggest risk right now is not losing your job overnight. It is refusing to adapt while everything moves forward. So instead of asking what AI is replacing, start asking what you can build with AI. Because the people who adapt early will not just survive this shift. They will benefit from it. And in the next few years, that difference will be massive. So let me leave you with this. AI is not removing opportunity. It is changing where opportunity lives. And the faster you understand that, the faster you position yourself ahead of everyone else. If you want, I can break down exactly how to build AI income systems step by step in the next video. Just comment system below. And I'll show you how it actually works.